Okay, we're back for another gameplay of Slendrina, guys. But for today, we're going to play Slendrina Asylum. Okay, so literal na nasa Asylum na tayo ngayon. Just like from our previous gameplay in Slendrina, the Cellar 3. Para kasi tayo yung nasa Asylum or either nasa Abandoned Hospital. And now, nasa literal na Asylum na tayo ngayon. And without further ado, let us now proceed. Play. Of course, we'll go easy on Slendrina. Let's do this. I was just wondering, how did Slendrina end up in the asylum? Well, I guess the mystery will be solved later. Huh? Okay, our camera is now shaking every time we walk. Oh my god, Zed. Huh? Ano ito? What's this? What is this green thing? Okay, never mind. So, ang kailangan nating hanapin din is pages and key. Wow, malaga sadya ang susi din sa Slendrina, no? Left or right? Si Granny ba yun? What the heck? You all saw that, right? Naglakad siya papalabas doon sa room, bro. Okay, let's mind that later. Let's go. Humans are more likely to turn right. Okay, get ready for a jump scare. Alam ko may jump scare din eh. Okay, there's nothing there. Close, open. Yahadoy! Don't tell me pwede tayo magtago din eh. Ay! Hoy! Putik! Nabawasan lamang ba yung kulay green na yun? Yahadoy! Kawasa health bar ito? Yagagi, bro! Health bar nga! Yakakaloko! Ang dami ngayon natin pwedeng likutin din sa Slendrina Asylum Nakakaloko mo, meron na tayong health bar ngayon at... What's this? Wait lang guys check natin ito. Ano ito? Huh? Yakawasay ng health potion? Nadagdagan na konti yung bar Okay, napansin ko lamang guys din sa Slendrina Asylum. Kailangan natin ngayon magdahan-dahan din sa larong ito. Kasi tuwing bubulaga pala si Slendrina, mababawasan itong kulay green na to. Which means this green thing is our health bar. Oh my goodness. This is going to be satisfying. Ay! Yun nababawasan nga. Okay, let's be cautious around here. Hoy! Ba naman yun? Hindi ko sasanasalipot si Slendrina. Tsaka napansin ko kay Slendrina her design is full of darkness in here. Oh my goodness. She's much more terrifying. Okay. Susi. Kawasa pwedeng tayo magtago din sa likod no? Ay bakit? Ay, naalala ko bigla. Di ba nakita natin si Granny kanina? Please don't tell me yun hahaga din tayo tuwing naka-encounter natin siya. Okay, malalaman lang natin guys mamaya. Kakatakot niya yun. I'm guessing something terrible is going to happen in here. May health potion ulit dun Okay, dalawa na susi natin pero wala pa tayo na paggagastosan Putik bro, ang lawak. I guess this is where the crazy people eats. Sooner or later, I will be one of the person. Ay! No! I wasn't done talking yet. Ano nga ba sinasabi ko? Nawala to sa isip ko. Ay! Hoy! Okay, never mind. Let's go. Ay! Ayun na nga! Yahadoy, nakahabol tayo, bro! Okay, Granny is back. She's trying to kill us. Oh! Hey! Tago! Hey! Yeah. Putik bro, nakakatakot. Okay. Tahimik tayo. Makikita natin siya din Kung dadaan siya or hindi. Naku, naalala ko tuloy din yung Dead by Daylight Parang may vibes nyo nito Yung magtatago ka sa killer just to survive. Putik bro, kinakabahan ako Tayo na nga, tayo lumabas. We're wasting time here. Okay, I think it's a mistake that we go to right. Let's go to the left. Ano ba? Yung tunog na yun? Why is that sound? Oh. Okay, nagamit natin susi doon. Oh, may health bar uli, oh. Ay, sorry. Sorry to mention the health bar. I mean, health potion. A wheelchair. Must be the wheelchair. Bro, wala pa tayong nakikitang page. I think we're toast here. Hoy, easy pa lamang to, ah. Paano na kaya pagka-hard, ano? Ay! Ay, pwede pa sardo ng pintuan! Ay! Putik ka! Ang lapit! Nandito siya sa loob! Takbo! Hoy! Yun! Page! Abot pa to, abot. Kaya, ate na yun. Amin na yan! Give us that! Oh my goodness, bro! Nakakagad siya! Sige! Tago! Ili! Hey! Oh my goodness. No! Please! Ay! Kita tayo! Ay, nanggagal mo siya, guys! Oh! This is padlock! Okay, nagagamit natin mga susi doon! Atin na yan! At pati ito! Dali! Paano natin siya matatakasan? Ay! No! Slendrian, don't make this worse, please. Ay! Nandun pa siya. Putik, sa sobrang nervous ko, naligaw na tayo. Adoy. Oy, napaka-intense nyo, nakakatakot. Putik na yun si Granny, she's back. Nangahagad na siya din, eh. Well, it's a good thing, nanggagalmus lang siya, hindi siya namamalo. Ay! No! Not today. Okay, wala pa man sa kalahati ang ating health bar. Saan na ba tayo napunta? Putik, tatatlo pa lang ang page na nakikita natin. Ako na. Hoy! Naku, patay bro, dead end. Okay, sige, mangali ko tayo. Mabilis lang tayo. Kakatakot. Yeah! Ay, gagi sa ang pinto, hindi natin may sasaya. How can we get rid of her? Nagagamit natin mga susi din. Okay. Apat na page natin. Apat na. Hey, corner tayo. Sige. Takbo. Okay, discarte lang to. Sa ano? Hindi. Okay, kita niya tayo magtatago din, eh. No, never mind that. Oh, sige, saan ka pumunta? Left or right? Sige, di kami alis niya hanggat di ka dyan naalis. Try something crazy and we will do much more crazier than you. Putik bro, we're wasting time here. Ayaw nyo, umalis doon. Shoo! Sige. We will make our first move. Okay. Yeah! Don't be exhausted, takbo lang! Tago agad! Bro, naliligaw na tayo din, eh. We're dying in this game. Bit ba kasi may life bar? Paano ba naman yan? Ang hiyap tuloy. Okay. I think the coast is clear. Mas nabilis ngayon ang tibok ng puso ko sa larang to, ha? Is that Granny? Is that Granny's hand? Okay, sige. Let's nagad tayo din bago pa siya makarating din, eh. Okay. I think... Oh! Okay. Jackpot. Ay! No! Okay, nasa ibang dimension na yata tayo. Magkabukod na ngayon, guys, yung wall. Putik, saan tayo nang galing? At ba? What the heck? Baby ba to? This is baby Slendrina! Patay bro. This is not a good sign, I guess. Is this the reason why Slendrina is in the asylum? I don't wanna think about it. That's what... Hey! No! Okay, give us that. Nag-expect pa man ako na lalabas natin sa painting, eh. But no, thank you. Let's get out of here. Yeah, I don't wanna mind that. I don't wanna take care of that kind of a baby, Sorry. Bahala na si Slenderina doon. That's our baby, not ours. We're just here for the pages, okay? We're just here for the pages, not for that baby. Sorry. And what is the meaning of these pages, anyway? Bro, where are we going right now? Okay. Here we go. Let's do this. Okay, that's 6. Ay! No! Sorry, I never noticed that. Are there more pages here? Okay, there's nothing there. Bro, I think Granny is pissed in this part. Ay! Ay! Piste! Gagi bro, nanikip ang dibdib ko doon. Bigla na nasa lumbas sa wall. Ano ba naman yan? This asylum needs to be blessed right now. Oh my goodness, bro. Ang lakas ng vibrate ng cellphone ha, Toy. Tindig balahibo ko Ano ba naman yan? Okay, let's just mind the pages, okay? Malaga ang pages. Also our life. Malaga buhay natin. Life is precious, guys, okay? Life is precious. Okay. We need that. Okay. Nakailang gamit na tayo ngayon ng susi, Wait, naalala ko bigla, di ba nung hinahagad tayo ni Granny, ang dami natin nabuksan na pintuan? Hindi ko na guys tandaan location yun. I guess pwede tayo magtago sa likod nito. Oo nga, pwede. Nakakasilip This game is giving me goosebumps, guys. Did I just hear something? Ito din Galing ba tayo din Okay, hindi. Okay, there's another health potion there. Babalikan natin pagka-critical ng ating buhay. Ay! Ay! No! Oh my goodness! Hinahabol na naman niya tayo! Ah! Dalawa na sila ngayon. Palala ng palala Saan ba pa tayo makakita ang pages din Din Okay. Just a health potion there. Ay! No! Din. Dali! Putik! She's tailing us. Din. Okay. Make it fast. I guess she's still chasing us. Okay, we're back in the baby. Balik naman tayo sa baby, guys. Okay, may pintuan din Open. Okay. Mga health potion, okay. We need page, please. Give us those. Okay, 7 na. Ilang page ang kailangan natin din Don't tell me we need 10 or 12. Okay, susi. Ngayon na tayo ng lock na pintuan. Let's go. Oh, there's Granny. Ganun ba tayo din Ay, din saan tayo magtatago? Okay, there's no page there. What a waste. Ay! Gano'n naman siya. Did she saw us? Granny, you didn't see us. Okay, she see us. Okay. Yan, tama. Diyan ka tumakbo. Ha? Imagine nyo, hinaagad niya tayo ng gagamba ang kanyang katawan. No! Ba't ko pa ba naisip yun? I'm making things much more worse. Ya puti, kumigot lang tayo. Okay, di sa bad luck, guys. At tunog na yun. You can hear the baby from the other side. Bro, seriously, where's the page? All I can see is Granny and Slendrina chasing us. Come on, where's the page? Oh, ito. Din In here? No. Ay! No. Ako na ba nakapansin si Slendrina ay malimit na bulaga pagka tayo napasok sa mga rooms? Ay, wag sana pumasok si Granny din Tara agad! No! Come on, run! Magpapabalik-balik na lang tayo din Please, give me those pages! We need to go home. Magpapabalik-balik na lamang tayo. It's like Slendrina is playing with us. Okay, wala din doon. We're toast here, bro. She's messing with us. Oh my goodness. At pinagtataka ko, nasaan yung exit? Wala exit natin. Okay, isang page. Good job, Nara. Okay, 8 pages lang pala kailangan. Let's go. Asa tayo? Where's the exit? Give us the exit! No, no. Naku, we're going on a circle, guys. Okay, punuin na natin buhay natin. Let's go! Ay! Okay, Slendrina is trying to stop us now. Okay, every time we're near the exit, nothing's gonna stop us now. Let's go! Let's go home! Oh, that was a great place and a baby. Who was it? Well, I'm not sure. Ah, lovely weather. Okay, pang walang nangyari din sa character natin ito ah. Nagtaka din naman siya dun sa baby. Ah. Okay, so tapos na pala yun. Guys, pasensya na, hindi ko gets yung ending. What is the ending means? Okay, I guess the ending will remain a mystery to me. Okay, so I think I will end up our gameplay here, guys. So, thank you for watching, and I really do hope you enjoy our gameplay in Slendrina Asylum. I'm gonna tell you all, by the way. This game is amazing, and for me, it has the vibes of, Dead by Daylight. Kasi napansin ko lamang na pwede mo taguan din yung killer just to survive. So I'm gonna say that this game is on the next level.